Dad, I had $200 from my birthday 3 days ago. It is completely gone and I have no idea where it went.
Welcome to the experience of every adult who never learned to budget. Money has a way of vanishing when you have no system.
Okay. Give me the system.
Simplest rule, 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings. Free buckets. Every dollar gets a job.
I think I spent my entire $200 on wants. Is that bad?
It is not bad. It is information. Now you know. Now you adjust.
So a budget is not punishment. It is just deciding in advance where money goes.
That is the best definition I have ever heard. A budget is a permission slip you write yourself in advance. Secret technique, pay yourself first. The moment money arrives, move 20% to savings immediately. Before you spend anything. Automate it.
Why does the order matter? 20% is 20%.
Because humans spend what is available. If savings leaves first, your brain treats the rest as all you have. You adapt downward automatically.
So we are basically tricking ourselves.
All good financial systems are just tricks that work with human psychology instead of against it. Sinking fund, save a little each month for a big predictable expense. Christmas cost $300. Save $25 per month. December comes, money is already there.
So instead of panicking in December, I just have a Christmas fund running all year?
Car maintenance, birthday gifts, vacations, back to school. Any predictable irregular expense. Sinking funds kill financial surprises. Budgets fail for 3 reasons. Too complicated, too restrictive, or not tracked. Simple beats perfect every time.
What is the minimum viable budget then?
3 lines. Monthly income. Monthly must pay. Difference is your sandbox. Track spending once a week for 10 minutes. That is it.
10 minutes a week is less time than I spent looking for my $200.
Budget is a permission slip. 50-30-20 is the starter. Pay yourself first. Sinking funds for big stuff. Track weekly.
My next 200 is already allocated. 80 needs. 60 wants. 60 savings. Done.
That is the fastest anyone has ever learned this lesson. Usually it takes a few more empty wallets.